Okay, so Jesse and I are moving. I am packing everything that I'm taking for myself and for my 3-year-old daughter in one suitcase for 6 months. I have all of her clothes and my clothes here, and I am trying to find the best way to fit all of them in the suitcase. Now, if you have watched my packing videos, you know how much I adore packing cubes. Like, I love packing cubes. This is not sponsored by any packing cube maker, seller, company. I just love packing cubes. They keep you so organized on the road. It makes it so easy to find exactly what you're looking for in your suitcase. But do they save space? That was my big question. I've packed everything in the packing cubes first. Let me show you what that looks like in the suitcase. Okay, as you can see, we have a problem. The packing cubes don't all fit in this space, and I still have clothes over here left over. So my first thought was, all right, I need to go through my stuff and take stuff out and pare down. The tricky thing is that I'm packing for 2 seasons, for summer and for fall. So there are some bulkier items here. I also don't have any space saver bags. So before I went through and got rid of things, I decided, just for kicks, let's try packing the suitcase by rolling the clothes. And oh my goodness, watch what happens. If you have not watched it yet, take a look at the review that I did about these compression cubes. So yes, everything fits when it's rolled, which brings me great sadness, but you do what you have to do. Since we will be traveling much slower this time, meaning we're never going to be in one place less than a whole month, so organization is less important than fitting everything in the suitcase. So yeah.